Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add a collection to a Wix page. So let's go to Wix dashboard first. Now you have to click on catalog. Sorry, not click, just hover up your mouse on catalog. Then you'll find on the first option store products. Hover up your mouse on store products, then you'll find here products. Click on products. Now if you want to add more products like this, you have to click on new product. Click on physical product or digital file, that up to you. I'm clicking on physical product. It may take some seconds, so hold on. After that you have to add a image here. Click on add image, and you can add any image from here, or you can add image from your uh, website, from your computer, like adding this one. Okay, adding this one. Now click on this add to page. This is the first one. You can add more. Click on this add image. Now click on this one. You can click on add to page. So this is how you can add pages, add products. After that, you can see here the product name. You can add your product name here. Greens, sorry, t-shirt. Now you can ribbon here any ribbon you want. After that, you have to click here and add the description, then click on save. Price tag should be like 50, then click on save. Okay, you can see that your product has been added here, and if someone click on this, they can see the collection. You have to make it one by one. You have to add one by one product in product new products, and you can make a collection. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.